So here's my tank with my pea puffer. It's 10 gallon. As you can see, it's absolutely teeming with fry. Or maybe you can't see, I don't know. There's actually fry and young guppies everywhere. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all of them. I think there's going to be way too many to keep in this tank. But hopefully most of them will be small. I've got quite a lot of small guppies in here. I don't get to see my pea puffer much this time of day. I have put a few of my baby mystery snails in here. So far the pea puffer's completely ignored them. When they're over a certain size, he's really not interested. So the only thing I have to worry about is I do have a few assassin snails in here, but I also have a lot of trumpet snails, so hopefully they'll go after those before they go after my mystery snails. But there's babies in here galore. I see the pea puffer chasing them sometimes, but he I don't think he ever catches any or eats them. So this Saturday I'm going to Aqua Shower. It's in Orlando. So well, it is in Orlando, but it's near Disney, I think. So if anybody's going there, I'm going Saturday afternoon. Could always say hi. I doubt if I'll do any filming there because people will be going who are a lot better than me. I just like to pick up a camera and point them at my fish. I'm not really into doing much else. But I thought it'd be interesting since it's just up the road for me to pop along and see what all the fuss is about.